In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit to create an app. By the end, you'll know how to go from an idea to a live shareable app using Replit's built-in AI agent, all without wrestling with complex setup. First, sign in at replit.com. On your dashboard, click the Create button, then choose Create with Replit Agent. This opens a new project workspace with an AI chat panel ready to help. Think of the agent as your project co-pilot. It scaffolds code, sets up tools, and keeps everything organized so you can focus on what you want to build. Next, describe your idea in plain English. You can be as straightforward as build a property management tool that syncs with Figma. The clearer your description, the better the initial result, and mention the core features you care about, who the app is for, and any preferences you have, like using React for the front end or including user authentication. Short, direct sentences work best. The agent will then propose a mini project plan. This usually outlines the architecture, the frameworks it will use, and any database setup it recommends. Read the plan carefully. Check that the technical choices match your goals and that the features listed are the ones you want. If something feels off, ask the agent to adjust the plan. When you're happy, click Approve to start the build. Now watch Replit do the heavy lifting. You'll see it assemble a front end, typically with React, a backend with Node.js, and a database, often PostgreSQL, via Neon. It will create the folder structure, install dependencies, and configure basic connections. Let it finish. You can follow progress in the logs, and the file tree will populate as it goes. Once the first version is up, iterate right in the chat. Want a different color scheme, or a login with Google button? Type your request plainly. The agent will modify the code, explain what it changed, and update your project. Aim for small specific requests and test between changes so you always know what improved. When you're ready to share your app, click Deploy. Replit will package everything, host it, and provide a unique URL. Open that link to see your live app and share it with others. If you make updates later, just iterate again and redeploy to push the latest version live. That's it. You've just turned an idea into a live app using Replit and its agent. Fast, clear, and ready to grow as your vision evolves.